MECLABS AI. It's much more than GPT reskinned. It took 30 years of my life, $138 million, and 10,000 experiments to get this ready. Try it. With your free trial, here's what to expect. Immediately on the thank you page, we'll provide you with credentials so that you can access the advanced version of MECLABS AI. You can begin work immediately on value proposition, on the call to action, on your headlines, on your campaign strategy, and so on. The thank you page will also display contact information for a real person who's standing by to guide you through the setup. You will be invited to a briefing where we will help you get everything organized so that you can be as productive as possible as you interact with MECLABS AI and as you work within the Guild community. We'll set you up with an optimized AI tool stack. This will help you stay on top of the galloping changes that are taking place all around us because every 3 weeks we update that stack. We'll show you how to be especially productive. We will also give you an invitation to join a super funnel research and learn track. There are 4 of these, and when you work through all 4, you can stand up an AI-powered super funnel. There's more, but you'll learn as you interact with the Guild. One of the reasons we did a free trial is I just don't know how to explain it all to you very well. You've got to get in, see it, grow with us, and learn. Something special is happening. Come and see.